Hello guys, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of WebOsmotic. My name is Ritik Singh and I'm a software developer at WebOsmotic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own NPM package and publish it within 5 minutes. So make sure you watch till the end. So NPM, which is Node Package Manager. We all use multiple Node packages in our daily codes, right? So to avoid like rewriting same codes in a different projects, we use NPM packages. So the popular NPM packages we use in daily lives are the node1, bcrypt, or a simple random number generator for the unique keys, right? So at a certain point, we all have thought to create our own NPM package. So the time is now. Let's jump to the coding screen.
Hello guys and welcome to my computer screen. As you can see, I have written some prerequisites and steps that we are going to follow in this tutorial. The screen that you are watching now is an interface of VS Code which I am using as a code editor. You can pick any code editor that you like. And the second thing that we must have to have in our system would be Node.js. And if you don't know what Node.js is, or you don't have that installed in your system, you just need to search Node.js on Google, and the first link that appears would be the download link of Node.js. We just have to download the Node.js in our system, right? Moving ahead, the second most important thing that we need to have is npm account again. So we'll be searching npm account on Google, and the links that pops up would be the sign up link of npm, and filling some minor details we'll have our Node npm account, right? Then moving ahead, these are the steps that we are going to follow in this tutorial. The first step would be setting up our project. So that it will be including creating of the folder, adding some code to it, and the second step would be initializing the project. I mean, we have to run it and check the code is it's working or not. The third and very important thing would be to write our package code. We just have to mention the details that we need before publishing in the package.json file. And the fourth, very important again, a readme file. So every time you go to npm and search some package name, and when the package appears, there's a proper documentation written over there. That's nothing but a readme file of an npm package, right? Then after the creation, we'll be log into the npm, the account that we just have created. We'll be log into the same account. Then we'll be publishing the package, and then verifying the package. We'll be like installing the package through npm install and that package name, and then we'll check if it's working or not. And then version updates, that comes in the scene when you need to update your code or adding some extra functionalities to it. As you can see, I have created an idgenix named folder in my system, and these are some files which I have in this folder. So this name idgenix could be anything as of like just a file folder name, but this is the name of my package which I'm going to publish. So the name of package must be unique so that we are allowed to publish as unique. So the first file we have, and the only code file that we have in this directory or folder, is this index.js file. And as I mentioned earlier, our npm package would be generating some random numbers. So the purpose of this video is to show you how we can create a simple npm package and publish it. So we are not going to some complex functionalities. So the purpose of my npm package would be to create an random numbers. So it takes two parameters, prefix and length. The prefix would be the anything numbers or letters that we need to include before that random key, and the length should be how long the random key or the unique id should be. So these two parameters which are required. So we all have used uuid or something, right? So it's similar how it looks. So the only code file we have is index.js, and I hope everything is very simple to see. And then the very important file we have is package.json. Let's go to this one by one, since this is the file that which is going to be consumed by the npm will look to this file only before moving our npm to their libraries. The npm will look to this file only. So the name of my package, as I mentioned earlier, must be unique if you want to publish your npm package. The version should be, if it's my first time uploading this npm, the version should be 1.0.0. And if there is some update, I'm uploading it again. So as we proceed, the package and version increases, right? And this main file is the entrance file of our npm package. Since we have only one file there, so the index.js is the main file of this. And then the keywords, again very important. If a user searches for a random number generator or a key generator, unique ID generator. So these are the keywords that must be included in your package.json to appear in that search list, right? To make your npm package appealing, you have to make these keywords written in the package.json. The author name, again, very simple. The license, this is the standard license we have while creating the npm package. Then the home page, very important. If you go to npm and search for any xyz package, there's a page appears which tells everything about that package, right? What it does, how it works, some example use cases, limitations and all. These are all the things which are included in the home page of this, which is a readme file. So moving on, we have like just created our first npm package, and the next step and goal would be to publish this npm package. So if you remember, we created in the beginning of this video, we created npm accounts, right? So the command that we'll be using here would be to npm login. We have to log in our npm accounts to publish it. So when you press npm login and enter, it will navigate you to your browser. Let's go. Yeah, so here you have to write your username that you have like written over there, and then the password. After entering your like sign in details, right? So you'll be seeing this interface which says authentication successful. You can go back to that npm terminal we were like writing the npm login code. Then we have to write npm and publish and enter. So this will make our, like, as you can see, this simple command will make our like npm package publish on all the platforms that npm packages are available. As you can see, our first npm package is published successfully on the npm platform, and this is the readme file that we had created together, and this use cases, how we have to use it, the code that we had, like the index file, the package and the steps, of course, and this the links that we had, right? Since our npm package is available on the npm platform, we have to test it by installing into a different project so that we can check if it's working or not. So we'll be doing, we'll be installing our npm package by doing npm I and then id genx, right? Install. This will install the like package in our system. Then we'll be creating a test.js file like this, and then we'll be like putting some code which what it does, it takes like this is how it will be, and we have to call our function that we created in the code by few of like by giving parameter, by giving prefix and everything, right? Let's just test it. And here you go. Generated id without parameters would be this, generated id without this, and then with prefix it would be this. Very easy, right? We just created and implemented and published and tested our first npm package. I hope you liked the video. That's all from my side.
And that is how you have your own npm package ready and published. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the official YouTube channel of WebOsmotic. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.